concept of shaping our reality through our thoughts and energy. And I think there's a lot of misconception around it being just like this magical, like we think and then poof, something's gonna show up into our existence right away. And yeah, sometimes that can happen. And it's really fun when that kind of stuff does happen, the unexpected, the synchronistic things. But really, manifestation is about pulling things into our reality, changing our perceptions in a big way, and making things available to us that we didn't previously think or see were available to us. So what it really is about owning who we are, uh, realizing what our deepest desires are, and then believing in ourselves to take action towards those things, right? So when we can open our perception and change our mindset and shift into belief, we're able to see and recognize opportunities that we wouldn't have previously seen before. And then the belief and the faith in ourselves, when we know who we are truly, that is really the deepest source of confidence, right? Is like that deep inner knowing of who we are and what our mission is. And that's what the confidence and the worthiness leads to, the audacity to take big risks and take big action towards that dream life that we want, right? So that really is the essence of manifestation. You could call it magic, because really it is, because what's inside of us at our core, our deepest, truest self, like that is magic, because it's deeply connected to source, to oneness, to the universe. But it's about owning that and letting go of everything we think we're supposed to be.